I think I've lost some joy to being creative. Today I'm doing DIYs and crafts from my old Pinterest boards that have been collecting dust. Well, digital dust. Stay tuned till the end because I'm giving tips and tricks I wish I'd known before I started this. If you love whimsy and fun things, then the first one is for you. We'll be making some of this fun room decor. So let's get started. For this I'm using colorful sheets, a scale and pencil, scissors and some glue. I ended up making 3 different sizes. So here are the measurements. You can screenshot this for later. This DIY is the cheapest, easiest way to elevate your room. I got these color sheets from my local stationery and they were only rupees 5 each. Sometimes the chain blocks can become uneven, so pinch all of them together so that you know all of them are even. I'm going to try my best to explain how to do this, but you can just follow along how I'm doing it. After cutting all of the strips, glue both of the ends together. Take another strip, put it in the loop and then join the ends together. That's it. Now you have to keep on repeating this until you get the desired length. Here are the 3 different sizes I made and how they looked. I'm going to be putting these exactly as how in the reference picture. So here's it before. I already had my fairy lights on there in a very similar manner. So all I had to do was put the 3 different chains on the wall. And this is how it turned out. For the next one, let's really bring the good vibes and make a cutesy 3D quote poster. For me, the best kind of posters are the fun ones. This one I'm using cardboard, clay, some paper and glue. I was lazy so I free-handed the measurement for the base. I'm using cardboard instead of canvas, light and easy to stick. She does not know this yet, but she's gonna regret cutting this into half. I brought my journal and started deciding the layout. Now I am a very negative person, so to counteract that energy I'm using a really positive quote and I'm using clay to make balloon letters. Now if you want any of these references yourself, you can get them for free because I'm putting a link to my whole Pinterest board along with some video references that I used in the descriptions. For my quote, I started with the letter W. The first time, one side became too long. For the second attempt, it was too uneven. But third time's a charm because I was able to get it perfectly. Moving on with the other letters, my original references had this balloon knot thingy. So I ended up making that too and it turned out so cute. This one off camera and I could make it in like one go. This is the moment she found out she could not use this clay because it's clearly written that it does not dry out. I didn't think of this before and now I had less clay to do this. So for the smaller letters, I ended up making these buttons with letters on them. For these buttons, you won't find them in my Pinterest board because I made them because I had less clay. Here's the final reveal. It's funky, it's cute, and I love it. It is the perfect amount of motivation I need in front of my desk. The next DIY is something I can hopefully take around with me. I can never have enough keychains, so let's make a crochet one. I wanted to do this kind of flower. Keep in mind that I'm a beginner and only know basic stitches. Leaving the tutorial I used to make this in the description just in case you want to do it too. I did make a few changes. I used the 1.5 mm hook. And I also ended up doing a darker background on each of the petals. I also saw this trick of using eyeshadow to make depth. And this is how it turned out. I stuck a pearl in the middle and no, the back is none of my business. This is how it looks on my favorite bag. I think it's very cute. If you make any of these DIYs, make sure to post them. Tell me on the community tab so that I can check out your creations too. And I have a lot more of these. So if you want a part 2, then let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching.